Hey traders around the world, how's everybody doing? Welcome to another week, guys. We are super excited to be here, and I hope you too. Let me make sure that we all are tuned in on this business today. So welcome guys. So on today's video, guys, I'm gonna be showing 4 different pairs. Remember, day trading can be a lucrative and exciting way to make a living, but it's important to learn the rules, guys. It's important to understand the risk and the solid trading strategy that you need to dive in onto this business. So let me go ahead and start with the very first pair of the week, guys, and that is going to be gold. Boom! Pay close attention, guys. This is very important. We're gonna do a little bit different. Always pay attention what your 4 hours and daily time frame is doing. That is very important. If you look at here, this solid green line in the middle, guys, this coming on February, the market has a potential to drop all the way to our 100 Fibonacci level, and that is going to be very exciting. Are you with me?
Oh yeah!
I didn't hear you. Are you with me?
Oh yeah!
Hell yeah, guys. So the other thing that you must look, guys, is always pay attention what your multiple time frame with the TW sniper entry is doing. And here that is telling us this is a brand new trend, guys. Very brand new. Market right now is still giving us a indication the overtrend is gonna be bearish, but fortunately we're still on the buy trend. So I will consider this a what? I will consider this a pullback, because multiple time frame here is letting me know that we're still on that pullback. So pullback is gonna come back and retest your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci. Why this level? Because here's previous multiple time frame once, and then from there market is gonna retrace back to where it was, right? It's gonna go back to our previous multiple time frame in here, and by then what is gonna happen here, guys? Look at here. This is what I'm expecting to see. From there, we expecting to see a TW sniper entry to show up in this area here, and boom, market will be dropping like it's hot and letting us know that all the month of February will be in a sell position. What do you guys think, guys? Hey guys, let me know in the comment below if you found in this video so far great. If you guys want me to do a one-on-one, please let me know in the comment below, or either send me a private telegram and I will take any of your date and show you how you need to be trading on the market. Okay, it's very important. Let me know, comment below, and let's go. Hopefully gold will be on a good way of making money, but remember, guys, I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. And remember, what is the best day trading strategy for serious money, guys, is to learn how to trade. Learn on your own. Do not pay for signal. You must learn every rule that this business has. The best trading strategy for serious profit, guys, is the combination of technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and risk management. Those are very important on this business. Like I said, technical analysis involved in studying the historical data to identify the pattern or make a prediction of the future movement. That's why trading with multiple time frame will make the job a lot easier. So let me show you the next pair, guys. The next pair that I'm gonna show you is going to be GBPUSD. Boom! Pay close attention to GBPUSD, guys. Look. I want to show you. Don't look at the real data yet, because I don't want you to cheat. Look at here, guys. This is very important. You will be learning very amazing strategy today. The very first thing that you must do, guys, always pay attention to your 4 hours and daily on the dashboard. What is the 4 hours and daily telling you the market is doing? It's telling you the market it is in a what? In a buy position. And that is very important to go on the same direction, because if you start selling, it's like someone punching you in your face, and you're gonna be like, you're gonna be upset because the market, look, the dashboard is letting us know, hey, GBPUSD is in a buy position. Don't even take a look at it on a sell position, because you are gonna regret it. Now let me show you the real data. Here it is. I already did the analysis for you. So now it is very important for you to take a look at it and see why the market is doing what it's doing. It's important also to use multiple indicators if you know how to use them. It's a tool to confirm your trade decision. And here we use it on multiple time frame indicators. Look at here, multiple time frame with a TW sniper entries confirming that we're in a what? In a buy position. That's exactly what the market is doing here. Market is in a buy position. So what's my understanding for this coming week, guys? This coming week, the market is still gonna come back and retest our previous multiple time frame, or either it's gonna go to our previous multiple time frame in the past. Either way is fine, and from there we are expecting to see a pullback, retracing and retesting our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci, because here it is our multiple time frame. And then from here, market will continue. Remember, who is in charge in the market? Who's in charge in GBPUSD? The buyers are in charge. That's exactly what we saw on the dashboard. So do not get confused. If you are confused, guys, so far, please let me know. Let me know that you need a one-on-one, and I will do it for you, because I want everyone in this 2023, guys, to start making money. So you don't have to pay for signal. Fundamental analysis is all about understanding the company financial health and potential for growth. It's important also to stay up to today's own news development that could affect the stock price, guys. Always check the news. It's very, very, very important to do that. All right, so all right, let me show you the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have for you, it is USDCHF. Boom! Look guys, look at the dashboard. Don't look at the real data. I don't want you to look at real data. Look at how simple it is using multiple time frame. Also, look at how risk management is crucial for long-term success in day trading. You should always have a plan for managing your losses and protecting your capital. And let me show you a secret how you're gonna protect your capital. Look at here, look at the dashboard. Boom! Look at that. 4 hours and daily is telling me what? It's telling me that we are what? We are in a sell position. So far, this is your cheat sheet. Your cheat sheet is telling you, hey, we are in what? In a in a sell position. That is true. Give me a hell yeah if you agree with me, guys.
Oh yeah!
Another hell yeah, guys.
Oh yeah!
I didn't hear you. What?
Oh yeah!
What?
Oh yeah!
You better believe that. So we are super excited, guys, to show you this. And you know what? Let's go ahead and give them a round of applause, guys. This applause is for you because you are paying attention. Look, so far you know the market is in a sell position, right, on USDCHF. Now let's go ahead and check the real data. What is the real data doing? Let's go and see it. See if it matches. All right, here it is. Look at here. Look at what multiple time frame with RTW sniper interest doing. What is it telling you? It's telling you, hey, we're in a what? We're in a sell position. Look at this sell position. Boom, 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 and boom, the market is dropping now currently based on what you are seeing here. Now, remember, we are trading on January 30th to February 3rd, 2023, guys. So this is my analysis for USDCHF here. Market still gonna continue selling down. It's gonna go all the way to this previous multiple time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, and then market is gonna do a small retracement, coming back and retest your 38.2, and from there, boom, market will continue selling down. Why? The sellers are in charge. Like I said early, look at the stairs. When the market is selling, you will be getting this red stair telling you, hey, I'm in a sell position. Look at what is happening, and boom, market is dropping currently based on what you are seeing right now. So overall, USDCHF, it is in a sell position. Don't even imagine taking a buy position. Remember, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. This is for educational purpose. But please, guys, please, 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 like I said earlier, you should always have a plan for managing your losses and protecting your capital. It's very, very important, guys. It's also risk management is crucial for your long-term success in this day trading business. All right, so it's always important to remember that. Also remember, guys, day trading is not a get rich quick scheme, that it takes time, discipline, and it's a solid trading strategy for to be a consistently making profit. It's not something that you're gonna get rich overnight and say, oh yeah, I'm gonna buy a brand new mansion. No, it takes discipline. Remember, excuses versus discipline. What is excuses? If you make excuses, you will make your life easy today. But if you are disciplined, your day will be much better tomorrow. So work hard today, learn every rule that is on this business, and your life will be easy tomorrow. All right, so never do what is easy, always do what it needs to be done. Learn this business properly. All right, let me show you another pair, guys, that everybody should be looking into it, and that it is GBPJPY. Boom. I'm telling you, guys. I'm telling you, you should be looking to GBPJPY. Actually, let me not show you the real data because that's not how you're gonna learn. All right, so let's go. Let's do the one-on-one here. Remember, you must look all the time to your dashboard. What is the dashboard saying here? What's the real story behind this GBPJPY? Look at here. Boom. The daily is saying one thing. The 4 hours is saying another thing. Uh-oh. We have a problem. There is a big problem on GBPJPY. If you don't know how to trade it, you should do the one-on-one. Let me know in the comment below, guys, if you want to participate in the one-on-one, and let's go. All right, so guys, also support the channel, guys. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and help us grow.
Oh yeah!
Because we are here making money for all of us that are watching, and millions and millions and millions of traders around the world.
Oh yeah!
All right, so now let's go ahead and check the real data because the dashboard do not agree. So here it is. All I can tell you here, guys, the real trend on GBPJPY multiple time frame is here. Our TW sniper entries is here. Look at the stairs. Look at the stairs. The stairs don't lie. Boom, 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 boom. So market here is only going in one direction, and that is solid. What is the real data telling us, guys? Remember, I love to trade only real data, guys. Only real data. This is what I'm expecting to see on GBPJPY, guys. Multiple time frame TW sniper entry is gonna form here, letting us know the market here will be in what? Will be in a what? In a buy position. So that's what I'm hoping to see here. But in the meantime, I want to be honest with you, because there's no point to be lying to no one, because the market is always right. So this is what I'm expecting to see here, guys. Market right now is in a buy position, right? It's in a buy position. So market is gonna go all the way to this previous multiple time frame once, and from there market will drop. Remember, the sellers are in charge. The sellers are in charge. They will drop all the way to our 23 Fibonacci level. Once it reaches this level here, this is what I'm expecting to see here, guys. I'm expecting to see the TW sniper entry to take over and be on this business, and so we all can make money going on the bullish trend. So that is exactly what I'm looking for here, guys. Remember, it's very, very important, guys, for everyone in here that are watching this video to have a trading plan, guys. Please do have a trading plan, guys. Remember, with the right approach, day trading can be rewarding and it's an exciting way to make a living, but always remember to do your own research. Never ever invest more than you can afford to lose, guys. It's always a friendly reminder for you guys. Remember, guys, if you are finding value so far on this video, support the channel by giving us a thumbs up, and welcome to another week, and we are already in February. So know this before you trading, guys. Let's go. Let's trade with Teamwork Irving. God bless you. God bless the world, and God bless each and every one of you. Let's go. Peace out.